The first step is to open a Google Sheet with the words you need translated, and then click a blank cell next to the word. Type equals Google Translate. Click cell you want translated. Type N.S. and press Enter. The format is parentheses, cell with starting language, comma, quotes around the abbreviation of starting language, comma, quotes around abbreviation of translated language, and then end parentheses. Click Translated Cell. Click the corner of the cell. With your mouse, click and drag the corner square, then drop it on last cell to translate the list. That's it. You've translated a list of words in Google Sheets.